Hermetic compressors are designed for single and three-phase applications and are becoming very popular because of their low cost. Single-phase compressor motors can be of the split phase, capacitor start, permanent split capacitor, or capacitor start, capacitor run variety, depending on the required application. The motors inside these compressor shells are surrounded by both refrigerant and oil, so it's important that there's no electrical sparking inside the compressor. Sparking can cause a short circuit as well as refrigerant contamination. For these reasons, any and all starting components are located outside the compressor shell. All single-phase compressors have a start winding to start the motor and another to keep the motor running. In addition, there are 3 electrical terminals used to supply power to the motor. These terminals are labeled C, S, and R, which stand for common, start, and run. The run winding is connected internally between the R and C terminals, and the start winding is connected between the S and C terminals. The technician can easily determine which terminal is which with the help of an ohm meter. The first step in determining the identity of the terminals is to assign a temporary name for each terminal, such as A, B, and C. Next, take a resistance reading between each set of terminals. Let's assume that the reading between terminals A and B is 12 ohms. The reading between A and C is 2 ohms. And the reading between B and C is 10 ohms. The largest reading was found between terminals A and B. The remaining terminal will be the common terminal. In this case, it's the C terminal. The larger reading between C and the other 2 terminals identifies the start winding. In this case, the larger reading is 10, which is between C and B. This makes terminal B the start terminal. The remaining terminal is the run terminal. The run winding has a resistance of 2 ohms and the start winding has a resistance of 10 ohms. Three-phase motor windings, on the other hand, are all the same, so taking resistance readings is not necessary. Besides, they don't use starting components anyway, which makes them very easy to field wire.